Planning to start a business? Before registering your business, you should first find out about the different business structures and choose one that meets your need. Making the right choice is important, as each business structure has different features which may have an impact on matters such as tax and regulatory requirements. Let's take a look at the different types of business entities available. Sole proprietorship, partnership, company, limited partnership, limited liability partnership. Sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is a business owned by only one person or one company. There are no partners. The sole proprietor has absolute say in the running of the business. Characteristics: quick and easy to set up, easy to administer and manage, less regulatory requirements to comply with, not a separate legal entity, can only sue or be sued in the name of the sole proprietor. The sole proprietor is personally liable for all debts and losses related to the business. Self-employed person must top up his Medisave account with the CPF board before registering a new sole proprietorship or when renewing the business registration. Registration fee: $65, which include $15 name approval fee and $50 registration fee. Taxes: profits are taxed at owner's personal income tax rates. Regulatory requirements: the business registration is valid for 1 year and must be renewed annually. The sole proprietor must notify ACRA of any changes within 14 days. Partnership. A partnership is a business formed by 2 to 20 partners. Once there are more than 20 partners, the partnership must be registered as a company. Characteristics: quick and easy to set up, easy to administer and manage, less regulatory requirements to comply with, not a separate legal entity, can sue or be sued in firm's name. Partners are personally liable for the partnership's debts and losses incurred by other partners. Self-employed person must top up his Medisave account with the CPF board before registering a partnership or when renewing the business registration. Registration fee: $65, which include $15 name approval fee and $50 registration fee. Taxes: profits are taxed at partners' personal income tax rates. Regulatory requirements: the registration is valid for 1 year and must be renewed annually. The partners must notify ACRA of any changes within 14 days. Company. A company is a legal entity separate and distinct from its shareholders and directors. A company must have at least one director who is locally resident and at least one shareholder. It usually has the words private limited or limited as part of its name. Characteristics: more costly to set up and maintain, more formalities and procedures to comply with, must appoint a company secretary within 6 months of incorporation, must appoint an auditor within 3 months after incorporation unless it is exempted from audit requirements, a separate legal entity from its members and directors, can sue or be sued in its own name. Members of the company are not personally liable for the debts and losses of the company. Registration fee: $315, which includes $15 name approval fee and $300 registration fee. Taxes: profits are taxed at corporate tax rates. Regulatory requirements. A company must hold an annual general meeting and file annual returns every year. The company must notify ACRA of any changes within 14 to 30 days, depending on the nature of the changes. Limited Partnership, LP. An LP is a partnership consisting of two or more persons with at least one general partner and one limited partner. A general partner is fully responsible for the actions of an LP and liable for all debts and obligations of the LP. A limited partner is not liable for debts and obligations of the LP beyond his agreed contribution, provided he does not take part in the management of the LP. Characteristics: quick and easy to set up, easy to administer and manage, less regulatory requirements to comply with, not a separate legal entity, can probably sue or be sued in firm's name. Only the general partner can take part in the management of the LP. The liability of the limited partner is capped at the amount of his agreed investment in the LP. Registration fee, $65, which include $15 name approval fee and $50 registration fee. Taxes. Where the partner is an individual, profits are taxed at partner's personal income tax rates. Where the partner is a company, its income from the LP will be taxed at corporate tax rate. Regulatory requirements. The LP registration is valid for 1 year and must be renewed annually. The partners must notify ACRA of any changes within 14 days. Limited Liability Partnership, LLP. A partnership where the individual partner's own liability is generally limited. It combines the limited liability features of a company while providing the owners with the operational flexibility of a partnership. Characteristics: quick and easy to set up, fewer formalities and procedures to comply with than a company. Registration cost is relatively minimal and fewer regulatory duties to adhere to than a company. A separate legal entity from its partners, can sue or be sued in the name of the LLP. Partners are personally liable for debts and losses resulting from their own wrongful acts. Partners are not personally liable for debts and losses the LLP incurs. Self-employed person must top up his MediSave account with the CPF board before registering an LLP or when renewing the LLP registration. Registration fee, $165, which include $15 name approval fee and $150 registration fee. Taxes. Where the partner is an individual, profits are taxed at partner's personal income tax rates. Where the partner is a company, the income from the LLP will be taxed at the corporate tax rate. Regulatory requirements. An LLP must lodge annual declaration of solvency every year. The partners must notify ACRA of any changes within 14 days. Now that you are aware of the different types of business structures available, you should also consider the following: the eligibility requirements for each business structure, choosing a business name and checking its availability, selecting an appropriate activity code for your business, selecting a location for your business. When you are all set to register your business, simply log on to www.bizfile.gov.sg with your SingPass to submit an online application. It's as simple as that. Visit our website at www.acra.gov.sg for more information and useful guides.